Are you trying to decide between Brave VPN and NordVPN? In this video, we're diving deep to find out which VPN really gives you the best online privacy, security, and performance. Whether you're a casual browser or a power user, this comparison will help you make the right choice. Brave VPN overview. Let's start with Brave VPN. Brave VPN is a privacy-focused service built directly into the Brave browser. Its main goal is to provide enhanced security and anonymity while you browse, using strong encryption to protect your data. The big advantage here? It's seamless if you're already a Brave browser user. No extra apps or subscriptions needed for basic VPN protection. It's simple, fast, and perfect for casual users who just want to browse securely without much setup. However, there are some limitations. Brave VPN's privacy features are more basic compared to standalone VPN services. It doesn't offer the same range of server locations, advanced features, or device flexibility that more dedicated VPNs provide. NordVPN overview. Now, let's talk about NordVPN. NordVPN is one of the most recognized VPNs on the market. It comes with flexible subscription plans, monthly, yearly, and even 2-year options, and often runs promotions that make it very affordable. NordVPN is available across all major platforms, including Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, Linux, and even offers browser extensions for Chrome and Firefox. Its interface is user-friendly, making setup and daily use straightforward. But what really sets NordVPN apart is its advanced security features, vast server network, and reliable performance. It's perfect for anyone who wants comprehensive protection, whether that's for streaming, gaming, or securing sensitive data. Brave VPN Pros. Built into Brave browser, no extra setup, simple, fast, and user-friendly. Good for casual browsing. Brave VPN Cons. Limited features compared to standalone VPNs, fewer server locations, and device support. NordVPN Pros. Advanced security and encryption features, huge server network across multiple countries, works on almost any device or platform, reliable performance for streaming, gaming, and privacy. NordVPN Cons. Requires a separate subscription, slightly more complex setup than Brave VPN. So, which VPN is better? If you're a casual Brave browser user looking for simple built-in privacy, Brave VPN is convenient and easy. But if you want top-tier security, a massive server network, and the flexibility to use your VPN on multiple devices, NordVPN clearly takes the lead. In short, Brave VPN is great for simplicity, but NordVPN is the powerhouse for serious privacy and performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Which VPN do you use or plan to use? Comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts.